Welcome to the video, ladies and gentlemen. And today in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can set up WooCommerce wholesale functionality in your WordPress website. So for this purpose, I'll be using a free plugin, and let me just show you the plugin that I'm going to use. You just need to head over to plugin section and click on Add New, and over there we are going to search for wholesale prices. Okay, so this is the plugin that I'm gonna use. Just install this plugin. So the once the plugin is installed, we just need to activate the plugin. Okay, so once the plugin is activated, the thing is that you need to go on the product, and when you go on the edit screen of any product, you'll see an extra field over there uh, for the customers to offer them the wholesale prices, right? Okay, so here's the product. Uh, I'm on the edit screen of the product number 4, and over here you can see I can I can I can give the discount to any wholesale customer. I can use a fixed price discount. Maybe if I'm offering this same product in $100, let's say I'm gonna offer this to the I want to offer this to the to the wholesale customers in $80. So I can do it that way, or otherwise I can do a percentage kind of thing. So let's just do it the fixed discount type as of now. Click on update. Okay, so once you updated it, uh, let me go on the view of this product. You see over here it's $100 because I'm logged in as an admin. Okay, so now this plugin has basically created a new user role, which is I guess which is wholesale user. You can see over here wholesale customer. So the user should be wholesale customer to see that $80 over there. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to create a user like this. Um, just I'm just filling in just for the sake of testing. Okay, and select the role as a wholesale customer. I guess this is important. Okay, confirm the use of weak password, right? And click on add user. Okay, so the user is successfully created as a customer, wholesale customer, right? So in the new tab, I'm gonna log in as I'm gonna log in as a test customer. Okay, so now I'm logged in as a wholesale customer, and when I'll go on this product, you see that the wholesale price exists over here, right? It's giving me a discount based upon my user role, right? I can add to the cart, and I can just you can just see that the price over here is $80. So this is basically what I was going to do. Basically, this is the functionality of this plugin. So we are offering $100 for this shirt to the regular customers, and we are offering the same shirt to the wholesale users $80, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. Then don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much.